Hi everyone, so you're going to open up your slides and then go to this button down on the bottom for screencast. And you'll close anything that pops up. Close. Go to new screencast in the top left corner. And then you'll see that your video comes up on the screen somewhere. You're going to turn off the camera. Go to settings, camera off. And then make sure your microphone is on. Right here, there's a little video button that is to screen record. And it says click anywhere to record full screen. So you're gonna click on your slides, gives you a 3, 2, 1 countdown, and now it's recording. And you know it's recording because it has the stop button right there. So go ahead and go through your slides. You can go in slideshow mode and make it big, and it's still recording, and you can go through your slides. And then when you're done, click exit on your keyboard. I click escape right here, and then go down to stop right there. So now it's loading. This is the last one I recorded right here. Oh, up here, sorry, it's loading. When it's done loading, you can click on the 3 little dots. Right here, click on the 3 dots and share. Give it a name, putting your name or give it some name. Click on continue. This is important, share with others. You don't want to keep it private, share with others. It says anyone in San Mateo Union High School District with the link can access. Copy link. Now the link is copied, you can go to Canvas and turn in your link.